If you want to change the colors in Photopea without damaging your original image, the best way is to use a Hue Saturation adjustment layer. This gives you full control and you can always come back and change the settings later. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Hue in Photopea in a simple step-by-step way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy editing tips. Let's jump in. First, open your image in Photopea and look over to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is where all your image layers and editing tools will be organized. To make a non-destructive color adjustment, you do not want to edit the photo directly. Instead, you want to add an adjustment layer. That way, your original pixels stay safe and untouched. At the bottom of the Layers panel, look for the New Adjustment Layer icon. It looks like a circle split diagonally into black and white. Click that icon and a menu will appear with several different adjustment options. From that menu, choose Hue Saturation. As soon as you click it, Photopea will add the adjustment layer above your image and a Properties panel will open right above the Layers panel. Now you'll see three main sliders: Hue, Saturation, and Lightness. These three controls are the key to changing the overall look of your colors. Let's go through each one so you know exactly what it does. The first slider is Hue. This is the slider that shifts your colors around the color wheel. If you drag it to the left or right, you'll notice the colors in your image changing into different tones. For example, blues can become greens, reds can become purples, and yellows can shift into oranges or other shades. This is the slider you use when you want to completely remap the color style of your image. Next is Saturation. Saturation controls how strong or intense the colors appear. If you drag the slider to the right, your colors will become more vibrant and more vivid. If you drag it all the way to the left, the colors will fade out until the image becomes black and white. This is really useful if you want either a bold, colorful look or a clean, desaturated effect. The last slider is Lightness. Lightness controls how bright or dark the colors appear. Moving it to the right makes the image lighter, while moving it to the left makes it darker. This is helpful if the colors feel too strong or if your image needs a softer or deeper mood. A great thing about using an adjustment layer is that you can always go back and refine your settings. You are not locked into one look. If you want to change the hue later, just click the adjustment layer again and move the sliders until it looks right. That flexibility is one of the biggest reasons designers and editors use adjustment layers instead of direct edits. If you want even more control, you can also use these sliders while paying attention to the specific parts of your image. Sometimes a small adjustment makes a huge difference, especially if you're trying to create a more polished and professional result. Take your time, experiment with the sliders, and watch how the entire mood of the image changes. Once you're happy with the colors, you're done. That is how to hue in Photopea using a safe, non-destructive method. It's fast, easy, and perfect for anyone who wants to edit colors without ruining the original photo. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.